Hi, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 11 Alma Court in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located close to the Target shopping center here in Petaluma. Really long driveway, attached 1-car garage. You come into the living room. There's been a lot of really nice updates to this home. Kitchen has newer appliances. I'll give you a view. And there's plenty of room to put a table in the corner I'm standing in. Here's access to the garage. There's a washer and dryer area here and hookups for the washer on this side. There's an additional storage room. Nice to put other items. And there is a garage door opener and a really sweet backyard. Just a lovely patio. This is a really nice space. Back through the kitchen and living room. This bedroom faces the back of the home and the smaller of the two. This is the larger bedroom with a really nice size closet. And then a nice bathroom with tub and shower combination. And a nice coat closet here. And back to the living room. Again, this is 11 Alma Court in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.